IGD Asia is an insight and capability service designed to help you successfully trade in Asia's FMCG markets. It helps you shape your future strategy and underpin business planning by delivering actionable insight on trends, retailers, markets, and channels, as well as commercial capability techniques that will help you unlock growth opportunities with your trading partners. Use the navigation tabs at the top of the page to easily find the information you need, including regional insights, a range of retailer profiles, market overviews, the latest channel data, and capability best practice. Under the Insight tab, you'll find information on hot topics generated by our retail experts, including regional outlook reports on the latest trends and what the future could look like, retail innovations, seasonal events, and a tool where you could run your own data queries. If you're after information on specific retailers, you'll find profiles of over 100 leading players from across the region. There's key information on structure and performance for smaller retailers, as well as in-depth strategic insights for larger retailers, allowing you to align around your customer's agenda. Whether you need in-depth insights or a quick overview, we deliver our insights in different formats. To explore our content, use the green toolbar towards the top of the page to filter your search. For example, under the Retailers page you can find an at-a-glance section showcasing KPIs relevant to the given retailer shown in charts and tables. The Profile section includes an overview of the retailer, its strategic priorities, trading and marketing activity, as well as markets and channels of operation. To get more detail, our strategic outlook presentations for leading retailers summarize latest performance, future forecasts, plus latest commercial priorities and markets of operation. Daily news coverage keeps you informed on developments relevant to your customers. Topical presentations and analysis from our retail experts to support your planning. Pull out global in-store examples and inspire your category thinking through our store visit reports and photo search tool. If you're looking for statistical data, our Data Center tool offers ready-made reports for popular queries and an easy-to-use report builder to create reports. The Markets tab has profiles on over 18 grocery markets across Asia. Just as the Retailer tab groups insights at a company level, here you'll find these grouped together at a country level, allowing you to assess trends and growth opportunities geographically. Our experienced industry experts conduct frequent research visits to countries across the region, bringing you the latest retail developments to support your business planning. Our country presentations deliver a macro overview on the grocery marketplace in countries you're present in or considering to enter. Use the Channels tab to assess the dynamics and opportunities in the channels you're most interested in. We cover all the key routes to market, from hypermarkets to convenience and online to traditional trade. Use the Capability tab to build your team's knowledge on areas such as planning and insight, category development, customer management, and best-in-class in-store execution, giving them a competitive edge. The search tool at the top right corner of the page is another way you can quickly find relevant content that meets your insight needs. If you require further help using IGD Asia, would like a free demo of the service, or you have any ad hoc insight queries, take advantage of our dedicated Ask IGD customer service team and send us your questions. Our customer service team is on hand to assist you.